Hey everyone, in this video I will share 10 practical tips to help you build better, smarter software with AI. Whether you are a developer, a product person, or just AI curious, these lessons will save you time and spark new ideas. So, let's dive in. Tip 1. Talk, don't just type. Here is something unexpected. Sometimes the best way to prompt an AI is to talk to it. Voice input tends to give better results than typing. Why? Because when we speak, we naturally add more detail. We ramble, we explain, we go off script, and that's exactly what AI needs to give you better answers. When we type, we tend to be brief or overly polished, but AI thrives on context. So, next time you're prompting an AI, try speaking instead. It's like sending a voice memo instead of a Slack message. People just get you better, and the same goes for AI. Tip number 2, talk like a human, not a machine. A lot of people overthink how they talk to AI. They try to sound technical, formal, robotic, but here's the truth. AI is trained on natural language. That means the best way to prompt it is to just speak normally. Talk to it like you will talk to a teammate. Use your usual words. You don't need fancy terms or perfect syntax. The point isn't to sound smart, it's to be clear. And most of the time, being clear just means being yourself. Tip number 3, you don't need full sentences. Here's a fun one. You don't need perfect grammar when prompting AI. In fact, sometimes it's better to just throw words at it. When you're using voice input, don't stress about forming full thoughts. Just speak in a stream of ideas, keywords, phrases, fragments. The AI is great at filling in the blanks and connecting all the dots. It's like brainstorming out loud. You're not writing an essay. You are just feeding the AI raw material it can work with. So don't let not knowing what to say stop you. Just say it however it comes out. Tip number 4, use images and sketches as prompts. Words aren't your only option when prompting AI. You can also use images. Yep, even rough sketches. Let's say you have a UI element in mind, but you are not sure how to describe it. What you can do is just upload a quick drawing or a screenshot, and the AI can use that as an input. It doesn't have to be fancy. A hand-drawn toggle, an old-school app design, even a vibe from another interface, the AI can use that visual to shape what it builds. Sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 prompts. Tip number 5, treat prompts like data. Here is a powerful trick. Store your AI prompts inside a table in your app. Why? Because when your prompt is in a table, you can edit it live without ever opening the builder. That means you or even your users can tweak the prompt directly in your app and instantly see different results. It's like programming on the fly. You're defining how the AI behaves right from the front end. If you want to build smarter apps that adapt over time, start treating prompts like editable data, not just static instructions. Tip number 6, don't use AI for math or randomness. This might surprise you. AI is not great at math. At least, not the kind of AI we use for language tasks. If you ask it to find the biggest number in a list or calculate something, chances are it will get it wrong. That's because large language models are built to understand words, not crunch numbers. Same goes for randomness. If you ask it to flip a coin or pick something at random, it won't behave like a true randomness. You'll get patterns instead of random results. So, if your app needs calculations or random behavior, use built-in tools like math columns or shuffle actions, and leave the storytelling to the AI. Tip number 7, don't use AI as a clock. Here's a subtle mistake that can cost you, including time or date info in your AI prompts. Glide is a form of managed AI. That means it handles a lot for you behind the scenes, like choosing the right model, optimizing performance, and caching AI responses to reduce costs and speed up your app. But if your prompt includes variables like the current time or today, it changes every time it runs. That breaks the cache, so Glide can't reuse the results. Instead, it has to send a fresh AI request every time. We saw this firsthand in an app that had AI prompts running across thousands of rows. Just one prompt with a timestamp caused constant updates, ballooning usage, and slowing things down. So unless the exact time is mission critical, leave it out. You will avoid lag, reduce cost, and keep your app running smooth. Tip number 8. Don't expect a different answer to the same question. If you are using Glide AI, here's something to keep in mind. It's designed to be predictable. That means when you run the same prompt multiple times, you'll usually get the same results. This is because Glide AI is tuned with a lower temperature, which controls how creative or random the model is. Lower temperature equals more consistency. And for most business apps, that's exactly what you want. But if you're expecting variety or want the AI to generate something fresh each time, you got two options. Use the OpenAI integration, where you can manually adjust the temperature, or add something dynamic to your prompt, like a random number or timestamp to nudge the AI into giving a different answer. Just know, by default, AI prioritizes reliable output over randomness. So, if you ask the same thing twice, don't be surprised when the answer doesn't change. Tip number 9, use JSON to give more context. If you want to give your AI more detail without overloading the prompt, use a JSON object. With JSON, you can pass structured data like a user's name, preferences, or profile info directly into the AI prompt in a clean, labeled way. Check out this example. This helps the AI understand context without you having to write a long prompt every time. You can even pull in values from other columns like use this personal detail about the user, add detail column. It's a simple trick, but it unlocks more powerful responses, especially when you're trying to personalize content or behavior in your app. The more relevant info you give the AI, the smarter it gets. Tip number 10, make it better with Make It Better. Sometimes the output you get from AI is almost right. It's close, but it's not quite there yet. If you are not sure what to change, here's a surprising effective prompt. Make it better. Yep, that's it. You don't need to rewrite the whole thing or explain what's wrong. Just tell the AI to improve it and let it take the first pass. It's kind of hitting enhance in a photo app. The results won't always be perfect, but they often get you much closer. So next time something feels off, don't overthink it. Just use the magic phrase, make it better. And there you have it, 10 practical tips for building a smarter software with AI. The tools are powerful, but the real magic comes from how you use them. Experiment, iterate, get creative. The more you play, the better you will get. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on building with Glide and AI. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out the Glide AI certification course. It's packed with real-world examples and hands-on training. So, thanks for watching and happy building.